Alright, I don't make videos very often, but I've been wanting to tell everyone about this for a while now. It's kind of an idea I came up with myself, and what it is a two-geared motorized bike. I have a 32 tooth right here, and I have a 48 sprocket. So when I want to off-road or I need lots of torque, I use the bigger one, and when I want fuel efficiency and speed, I use this one. And all I have to do is loosen this and slide it forward or backwards, and obviously tighten or loosen the chain tensioner. And I have two master links right here that I break, and then I just add a shorter or longer piece of chain that I have. The whole thing takes about maybe 5 minutes to switch over the gears, which is pretty awesome because I've never seen anyone do this before. And I had some extra plates from another sprocket kit that I added in between here, so there's a gap obviously so the chain doesn't rub right against it. And this sprocket's just right against the hub. I've never had it slip or cause any damage of any sort. It works perfectly. I've switched between the two gears plenty of times. And then the other thing I wanted to talk about, it's obviously not this, but it's good to have an expansion chamber, is this LED setup I have. I just took an old battery pack. That ports didn't work on it anymore, so I just wired it right to the batteries. And a female USB and a male USB wired straight to this like $6 Canadian LED light bulb. The LED gets really hot, so what I did is I added some CPU paste and some pieces of metal, and I let a little bit of metal hang out here so the wind will cool it down. But as you can tell, it's like an extremely bright light, and it's super easy because all you got to do is just disconnect this if you want to turn it off, and to charge it you just plug it into a micro USB. Anyways, I thought I'd share with you guys my little thing I came up with, and hopefully I am the first person and everyone else gets a chance to try it out themselves, because it's pretty awesome actually having two gears on a motorized bike.